I was looking through some pattern books I have, and I came upon The Work Basket book from 1941, and I was thumbing through it and came upon something I had never seen before. First of all, here we go. I'm sorry, forgive me, 1951. I'm sorry, 1951. And I saw this opportunity knock section, and so I thought, how fun would it be to read the wanted ads for women in 1951? First things first, we can look over here at business opportunities. I will tell you this much. Plastics are a very big deal in 1951, huge deal, and I'll give you a little bit of history on that. So let's go ahead and look at the wanted ads. We'll start with business opportunities, and then we'll move on to female help wanted. So here we go, business opportunities, recipes. Hints: win $1 to $100 repeatedly, learn how, where, booklet $1, and that's where you send it to. Invisible reweaving, men, women, home course sent on 5-day, no risk examination, $5 an hour possible. My goodness, that's 1995 wages. $5 an hour possible, part or full time, no overhead, reweave burns, tears, moth holes like new at home. Can you imagine all the burns from everybody and their children smoking? Get new Star Bright jewelry kit, including everything for assembling rhinestone necklace, bracelet set, worth $7.50, only $3 postpaid. Money back if not satisfied. Do big Christmas gift business. J&M Novelties. Why not make extra dollars for repairing zippers? Excellent profits, uncrowded field, details free, Texas Specialty Co. I just like saying specialty. Okay, win cash, cars in prize contests. Remember, this is business opportunities for women in 1951. Okay, win cash, cars in prize contests. Write for a copy filled with current contests, winning hints and tips. Send only 30 cents. It only costs you 30 cents to start a business. Earn money, evenings, copying and duplicating comic cartoons for advertisers. That one actually sounds interesting. Exclusive premium plan, sell new top quality, yeah, that's quality, everyday cards now. Build customer list for big Christmas card sales. Oh, it's called those like greeting cards. Complete line of important assortments, personalized stationery, napkins, matches, playing cards, over 100 items. Just write to that guy. Manufacture yourself. Cleaners, polishers, cosmetics, catalog free, Campico. Money in new greaseless donuts. That's different. Let's see here. Start in kitchen, no smoke, sell stores, free recipes. Contact Arthur Ray in Minnesota. Fabulous earnings. Fascinating pastime, growing genuine living miniature trees. Okay, let me reread that one. I never read these before. I'm reading these for the first time with you. Fascinating pastime, growing genuine living miniature trees. New sensational business or hobby. Astounding information free. Dwarf Gardens in Los Angeles, California. 100 markets for handkerchiefs. Crochet, knit, leather, novelties, etc. Buyer's bulletin, $1 free details. $1 gets you free details. $1 gets you free details for business opportunities for ladies in the 1950s. Now let's look at the help wanted. Before we go through the help wanted, listen to this history about plastic. Plastic began to become widely available in the American market around the time of World War II, when its production significantly increased due to the need for substitutes for scarce materials. Then continued to become more prevalent in everyday life throughout the 1950s and 60s. with mass production really taking off after the war ended. The first fully synthetic plastic, Bakelite, was invented in 1907 by Leo Baekeland. So World War II significantly accelerated plastic production as it was used for various military applications like aircraft canopies and parachute materials. Following World War II, plastic became increasingly common in consumer products due to its affordability and versatility, leading to a throwaway culture that we're all very familiar with today, with single-use plastic items. So knowing that, let's look at the help wanted ads for women in 1951. Free plastic. Free plastic apron sent with party plan showing how to make big money selling plastics. Right today, plastics in St. Louis, Missouri. Cosmetics by Madeline. Add to your family income, full or part-time. High earnings, fill products in Illinois. Women, can you use $50 to $100 per week as an extra income? That was actually pretty good back then, but this is probably going to be a pyramid scheme. Excellent earnings for 2 hours of spare time, afternoons or evenings, demonstrating via the James Plastic Party Plan. No investment, no canvassing, no previous experience necessary. Use of car is helpful. Write to James Household Plastic Co. Okay, sell Christmas card novelties. 100 different assortments. Personal cards, low at 25 for $1 Imperial. Los Angeles. Big money for you in plastics. Show friends amazing laundry-saving plastic dispensaries. Tablecloths, these are the single-use items. Tablecloths, non-breakable dishes, greeting cards, rainwear, baby needs, quick sales, big profits, free outfit, by the way, no doubt it's a sales girl outfit. Write to Lorraine Products in Chicago. Sell finest nylon hosiery. I have no doubt that at this time they were selling acrylic nylons, because the silk had to be used for World War II, and since it was so much more affordable to produce acrylic nylons than the silk ones, I have no doubt that after the war, silk became something of a luxury. Guaranteed against everything acrylic. Snags, runs, holes, demonstrations kit free to you with actual sample stocking. American Mills Department. Hey, we know American Mills. I think they were sold to another big company and doesn't exist anymore. Indianapolis, that's Indiana, for those not from the U.S. Women, earn money at home. Sew our ready cut wrap around, easy, profitable Hollywood Manufacturing Co., Hollywood, California. I'm assuming the wraparound is a simple dress, maybe even a waist shirt style dress. Make big money giving plastic parties. No experience necessary. We show you how. Write for free details. Princess Plastics Department in St. Louis, Missouri. Absolutely free. Big package, actual sample fabrics and style presentation of dresses, lingerie, hosiery, etc. Take orders, commissions big. Send no money. Cincinnati, Ohio. $23 weekly. Again, that's really not bad for then. Sorry, I have a little fly. $23 weekly for weaving lovely dresses given to you as bonus. Just show fashion frocks to your friends in spare time. No canvassing, investment, or experience necessary. Fashion frocks. Cincinnati, Ohio. So that's it for the Help Wanted. I thought, wouldn't that be fun to show this to you guys, what the Help Wanted ads look like for women in the books women were buying. I mean, if they have time to knit and sew and crochet, surely they have time to earn a little extra money. And what do we have on this page here? Of interest to women, sewing for fun and profit. Oh, we have more wanted ads. Okay. That's out of Illinois. Make money Produce oil paintings. Send $1 for basic instructions. Satisfaction guaranteed. Okay, out of New York. Chair cane, genuine plastic. I'm sure that plastic is genuine. Genuine plastic samples. Catalog dime. Instructions 25 cents. Seat weaving book $1.15 out of New York. Clubs, churches, auxiliaries, etc. earn $100 to $250 or $500 cash plus 24 handsome wood card tables for your club. Has earned Good Housekeeping seal of approval. I'll finish that. That is a magazine. I'm not sure if Good Housekeeping is in Europe. I would imagine it probably is. So you might be familiar with that if you're in Europe. Nothing to pay, no risk. Write for details about the Mathers Advertising Card Table Plan out of New Jersey. Homework money for you. Spare time making dolls that sell on site. Sample doll, pattern, instructions, $1.75 post-paid. Details free out of California, Nevada City, California. Free 1951-52 Needlecraft Catalog. Hey! 40 pages, over 1,000 items, ideas for you to make. Hey, that's actually really nice. I wonder if that's still available. Out of Chicago, Illinois. That's actually really nice. Pillowcases, stamped, hem stretched, wholesale to churches, organizations, sample pair, 80 square muslin, $1.19. Type 128 rubbing, $1.69. This is out of St. Louis, Missouri. Extra money, spin Angora wool at home, Angora House, out of Springfield, Illinois. Wow, that's nice. Learn dress designing at home. Spare time training equips you for fascinating, profitable career. Create your own fashions months ahead of local stores. Amazing magic mannequin method makes it easy. Fun to learn, no special education or talent needed. You don't even need to be talented. Right? Can you believe it? Hey, ladies, no talent needed. You don't even have to hardly have half of a brain. Make some money. I'm being a bit cynical, forgive me. Let's see here. No special education or talent needed. Write for free booklet. At least the booklet's free. That's out of Chicago. Make money sewing at home, part-time or full-time. We instruct. Write Judd Sand Productions out of Cleveland, Ohio. Make, sell glamorous costume jewelry out of plastic. I'm just guessing. Easy, wonderful profits, free catalog, also sewing catalog, button shop. That's out of Washington, D.C. Demonstration, school teachers, housewives make $8 hourly, make $8 hourly, something new. Our style showing lovely lingerie. Oh, lovely lingerie, hosiery, apparel are the sensation of party plan. Beautiful sales outfit for free. Of course, you get the sales girls dress for free. So demonstrators and school teachers, they want you to show off some lingerie and you get a free sales girl dress out of it. Just it's out of Chicago. Old coins wanted. Piano rolls, plastics, new liquid plastic, clear colors, cast without heat. Embed flowers, insects, coins, saw, drill, carve, send, 25 cents for wholesale catalog, and new sales manual showing how to make money at home with plastic. This is pretty neat. Okay, nurse training schools. Oh, make up to $30 or $40 a week as a trained practical nurse. Learn quickly at home. Booklet free. Chicago School of Nursing. Chicago School of Nursing. Wait a minute. Isn't there like a horrifying story about some girls on the dorm at the Chicago? Let me Google that real quick. Okay, Richard Benjamin Speck. Okay, this just got a little dark. Richard Benjamin Speck, December 6, 1941 to December 5th, 1991, that's how long he lived, was an American mass murderer who killed 8 student nurses in their South Deering, Chicago residence via stabbing, strangling, and that's all I'm going to say because it gets worse than that. Or a combination of the three. That was the night of July 13th and to the 14th, 1966. I remember that was a thing. That's horrifying. That's horrifying. Yeah. So that's where I'm going to end this. I think that this was pretty neat to just read off the opportunity knock section of this little magazine. Isn't that fun? Of course, it's stuffed full of ads. I think there's more ads in this than there are patterns, really and truly. Okay, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me and taking a trip back to 1951, even though it ended a little ominously. Bye.